What's up, everybody? This is your girl, Diamond Reeise. And we're back with another video. So today, we're going to do some hot girl shots. You feel me? Because, I just want to do some hot girl shots. So we're going to just go in the kitchen and do some random hot girl shot today. So just watch and learn and watch the hot girl shot. So you're not going to eat it, but I'm going to eat it. So it doesn't matter. Just watch it. Just watch. Ew. Let's put some oil in there, bitch. You feel me? Make sure it get hot. Okay? You can put it through 4 to 6. Medium. Okay? So we're going to get into that. Start sizzling. You're going to know when to sizzle. Because it's going to be hot as fuck. You feel me? So let's go. Next step. So, yeah. The next step is put some onions in there. But you're going to need a little bit more. A little bit more, bitch. Come on. Yes, bitch. That's enough. And you're gonna make sure those onions sizzle in a pan. It can't be no hot girl shit without the yellow peppers, red peppers, and green peppers in your pan. What you're gonna make sure is that you stir all of these together in a pan because I kiss better than I cook. Don't mind me, but yeah, this is how you cook. This is how you cook hot girl shit, girl. Hot girl shit cooking. Just make sure you stir. Make sure you get everything in the pan. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, put it all in the pan, girl. Yes, girl, get it all. Get it all. Next step. Ooh, it should smell good in your kitchen. I kiss better than I cook. Remember that. Next thing you need to do is get your chicken, but make sure it's already clean. And what you're gonna do is, ooh, girl. What's going on? Girl, that is enough. Too much hot girl shit, girl. And then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt on top of that. Yes. And then the next step, you're gonna use some I'ma slap your mama, seasoning. Because the hot girl shit type of shit going on. Yes, girl. And the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure you mix your chicken together, baby. Mix it, girl. Mix it. Now we back at our pan. You're gonna mix everything together. Mix everything together, girl. Get it right. Now, child, you're gonna drop your drumsticks right into the pan, girl. Hot girl shit, girl. Drop them right in the pan, just like that, girl. Yeah. I have some cooking on the bottom. I already flipped it like twice. Now, girl, all you got to do, right, is just flip your chicken in that amazing sauce. You feel me? Just keep flipping it. You see that? Ooh, that look nice. Look at that brown. Just getting crispy on both sides. That grill. Yes. Now, what you're going to do, right, because it's hot girl shit, you're going to add some onions on top of that chicken, girl. So I add a little, butter into my pan. You feel me? I add a little butter into my pan, and what I'm doing is just sauteing my drumsticks inside the sauce that is making itself. And I'm making sure I put the onions and green peppers back in the middle of the pan. Yeah. The next thing you want to do is get a little bit of water and put it right inside your pot, just like that. Yes. And the next thing you're going to do is put a lid on top of this pot and just let it cook down for a little bit. At least give it like 20 or 15 minutes, okay? It's been 20 minutes. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna drain that juice that's inside of there and put this chicken in some flour and start cooking it in the fryer. Yeah, girl, so you're gonna put this between 4 and 6. You want your oil very hot. You're going to take your chicken and put it right inside that pot. You feel me? And this is how you do hot girl stuff. You feel me? Girl, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I definitely recommend putting that subscribe button and hitting it. Girl, hit it. You see that red button? Hit it. Hit the subscribe button. And make sure you thumbs up this video and comment below what kind of videos you would like to see next. But girl, let's get back into this video. As you see, I am turning the chicken around. Making sure I get each side, girl. Get all the sides of that chicken, girl. Next up, you're going to get a new pan. And make sure it's hot. As you see, that chicken is still cooking a little bit. But make sure you get a new pan. And the first thing we're going to do is get some soy sauce and put it right in the pan, girl. So now we about to make our sauce for our chicken. Girl, this chicken going to taste so good. You're going to have to slap your mama, girl. Slap your mama. You feel me? So, yep, that's the soy sauce I use. And the next thing you're going to need is some red pepper. Put the red pepper right there in the pot, girl. Just throw it in there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, girl. So now we trying to make like this, this Asian kind of sauce to your chicken. It's going to taste so good, girl. Now, the next step you're going to do is get your brown sugar and throw it right in the pan. But girl, I couldn't do this with one hand, so I had to go, pause the video real quick and hit it with a bloop, bloop, you feel me? Some brown sugar. Now what you're going to do, now that all your brown sugar is in here, you can put a lot, a little bit, it doesn't matter. You're going to stir it in a pot, you feel me? Just like that. Or you go up and down, sideways. And what I do is I make sure I put this on high because you want it to turn into like a syrup or some kind of it's gonna turn into a sauce. So after you finish stirring and everything, make sure it kind of dissolve in there. You don't want it sticky on the bottom. Just keep stirring and put it on high. Okay, you're gonna see what's gonna happen when you put it on high. Girl, you're just gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down, all around. You feel me? Just keep going, girl. Just for like a minute, you're gonna just do that. Keep stirring it, and then after that, you're gonna keep it running on high for like 2 minutes, and then after that, turn it off and let it cool down. Okay, make sure you take out your chicken out that pot and put it on the side. Okay, you don't want to burn that chicken. Your chicken should be done by now. Okay, let's go. So mine's just calming down a little bit. I did add a little bit of heavy cream inside of it because it was like a certain taste I was going for. So I did add a little bit of cream, whipping cream inside here, just like a cup, not a cupful, but like a teaspoon in there. Okay, don't go heavy with the whipping cream, you feel me? Just a little bit, not a lot. And what you see me doing, I'm just going up and down again while it's turning off and everything. Make sure you let this cool down before you add your chicken in this sauce, okay? Let's go. Now, your sauce should look just like this now, okay? It should look like a syrup, okay? Just like that. If you did it right, it should look just like this, okay? Nothing else. It shouldn't look runny. It shouldn't look like no other color. It should look just like this, honey boo, okay? Now, what you gonna do? After you took out your chicken should have been on the side. Now, put your chicken right inside that sauce, you feel me? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna shake up this sauce with the chicken in there. It should look just like that, girl. All yummy, or just delicious, girl. It should look delicious. And this is how it should come out when you're done and you plating, girl. Yes. I know it's a lot of steps. You could skip some of the steps, but this is how your chicken should look when it comes out, girl. Girl. Girl, you should be licking your fingers when you're done with this. You could put this with some rice or something. Just make sure you put it with something, okay? Don't eat it by itself. But thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe. You already know it's your girl, Diamond Reeise, and I'm out. Peace.